Our hybrid robotic gripper system revolutionized traditional pick and place tasks by offering advanced capabilities that allows robots to safely interact with delicate items of various shapes, sizes, and stiffness, just like a human hand.
We are using this technology because most of our workers are manual workers. So we are looking for something that can not only increase their output but also help them to do their work in an easier manner. So this technology also gives us the flexibility to use it in different scenarios.